Guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have another Karnataka registered Gypsy for sale in Bangalore, and this is a 2005 model ExArmy Gypsy, Karnataka registered, and RC is valid till 2032. This is an MPFI engine Euro 2 model and second owner vehicle. We are going to review on this vehicle. Basically this is an second owner vehicle, MPFI Euro 2 engine, petrol 4x4, which is readily available for sale in Bangalore. And you can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is coming with a stock look. Only few modifications is done on this vehicle. The front look is the same original kind of look. There's no modification. The bumper is the same original one, and just 9-inch HID lights have been installed on this. Front, you can see the shackles have been installed on this. And regarding the look, this vehicle is coming with a soft top, second owner vehicle, and RC is valid till 2032. Insurance and all documents are up to date. And you can just have a look at the tires. The tires are brand new tires. All set of 4 tires are brand new from Goodyear 235 75 15, and front rims have been painted to white. These are off-roading rims. And you can just have a look at the vehicle. The body line is very neat and very clean, and we also have LED lights installed on the hood, and we have a bolero mirrors. You can just check out the body line. Very neat and very clean it is at the moment. And all set of tires are from Goodyear ATTyres, and this is a soft top vehicle, and you can just have a look. Very neatly maintained and readily available for sale in Bangalore. And this is a Chikmagalur registered vehicle, and CC can be issued all over India, all over state, and also NOC can be issued all over India. So you can just have a look at the vehicle. Very neat enough. And this is a petrol 4x4 engine. So you can just have a look at the vehicle. Very neatly and very cleanly maintained, and the under chassis also is painted black with a 3M pitch. So you can just have a look at the interiors at the moment. I'm going to show you the interiors. So the interiors is coming with the original dashboard and original seats, and the floor is painted to black completely. And the soft top is also really good, well maintained. And then just check out the long seats. It's very neat and very clean. And you can just check out the meters. The meter is a brand new meter from MGP installed, and the steering is the original MGP steering. And this is a 5+1 gearbox 4x4 Euro 2 engine. And you can just have a look at the engine bay. This is a Euro 2 engine, very well maintained, and the engine bay is completely painted with black. And the hood is also very neat. Accidental free vehicle. So right now I would be starting the vehicle and showing you the performance of the vehicle and the sound of the engine. So right now you can just check out the engine sound at the moment. And new battery is being installed on this. Amron battery is being installed on this. And you can just check out the tires. The tires are brand new tires from Goodyear. The buttons are really good enough for doing mild off-roading and to run on Indian roads at the moment. So totally this is a perfect condition vehicle, readily available for sale in Bangalore. So anybody who is really interested to purchase this 2005 ExArmy Gypsy, Karnataka registered, and RC valid till 2032, insurance running, second owner vehicle, is readily available for sale in Bangalore. The price we are quoting is 475, slightly negotiable, and this is Karnataka registered vehicle, all perfect condition documents, slightly negotiable. Only serious customers are requested to please contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. Please like and subscribe our channel. We'll be providing you more and more good videos on gypsies and jeeps, and also on 4x4 Xenons, Isuzus, and few more vehicles are yet to come. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you, and stay tuned and watch more and more videos from our channel. Thank you and have a great day.